Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best pickleball paddles. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Selkirk SLK Evo Power 2.0 Pickleball Paddle. One of the most important things to look for in any pickleball paddle is grip, as it's essential for comfort and precision play. The grip on Selkirk's SLK Evo Power 2.0 paddle is exceptional. It's well ventilated, tacky, and cushioned without feeling thick or bulky in our hands. Even after hours on the court, we never experienced any soreness or discomfort, and the racket never once slipped in our palms. We love this paddle for beginners to advanced players because it's the ideal weight for precise control and speedy power. We also noticed that this standard-shaped paddle has a large sweet spot, making it even more desirable for beginners. Plus, the paddle surface features a fine, grainy texture, which helps with spin when you're ready to level up your pickleball game. Number 7 in my list is SLK Neo 2.0 Pickleball Paddle. The SLK Neo 2.0 is the best set of 2024 because you get 2 beginner paddles that actually perform, even in more competitive play. I was surprised that I could actually generate spin and decent power with these paddles, something I've never experienced with a beginner set before. Its forgiveness levels are right up there with the best premium paddles too, which is why it's my pick for the best set. For a budget price, you get 2 top-quality paddles from one of pickleball's most respected brands. The paddle face is made from graphite and fiberglass, multi-layered to give extra pop. The honeycomb polymer core is designed to add sturdiness and reduce vibrations, and it definitely felt solid in my play testing. The edge guard looks well built, so I'm confident it can protect the paddle against most dings and knocks. This is a lot more tech than I've seen in beginner sets before, especially compared to most budget brands on Amazon. Number 6 in my list is Selkirk Luxx Control Pickleball Paddle. This is a paddle that will make your drops and dinks, arguably the most important shots in pickleball, a lot easier. A control paddle used to mean soft and lacking in power, but not so much with the Luxx. The Luxx is my favorite control paddle in 2024 so far. It's great for rising intermediates to advanced players, 3.5 and above, who want a control paddle that also delivers big spin and decent power. That means you can hit accurate drops and dinks, but speed the ball up when you need to. Jack Sock, a former tennis top 10 and recent pickleball convert, plays with this paddle. He made a big splash in the PPA Tour in 2023, taking home the mixed doubles title with Anna Leigh Waters at the North Carolina Open. The Vatic Pro Prism Flash also has 10/10 control and costs just $100. Great if you're looking for a top budget paddle. Number 5 in my list is Recess Pickleball Single Paddles. Recess Pickleball paddles are known for their unmatched style. These are the prettiest paddles in the game. They come in a wide variety of colorful patterns and have great grips with plenty of cushioning made from fox leather. They also come with an embroidered canvas cover. With a gridded fiberglass surface over the standard polymer honeycomb core, they do not offer quite the same performance as the high-end carbon fiber pickleball paddles. Recess paddles do seem to have a smaller sweet spot than some other brands. However, when you play a shot well, this paddle is excellent. I'll take the satisfaction of a well-played ball hit with a stylish recess paddle over almost anything on this list. Number 4 in my list is Joola Tyson McGuffin Magnus 3 Pickleball Paddle. Joola not only has the top-ranked player in the world, but also number 6, Tyson McGuffin. What I love about the McGuffin signature paddle is the sound. You may know that the sound of a pickleball game is quite controversial. I happen to like the sound. I do not live next to a pickleball court, and I like the sound of this paddle best of all. The hot pink McGuffin paddle is one of the hottest on the market right now and frequently out of stock. It's a banger, using propulsion core technology that offers serious power, and I find myself too often hitting long with it. However, that sound, paw whoop, it's so satisfying. Paw whoop. It sounds like a well-hit baseball by your favorite team to walk off in the bottom of the 9th. Number 3 in my list is Joola Pickleball Paddle. Joola is a relative newcomer to the pickleball game, having started as a table tennis brand. I've tested a half dozen paddles from the past 2 seasons of gear made by the Maryland-based company, including a unique round frame paddle more closely modeled on a tennis racket, and several from the series made for pro pickleballer Ben Johns, the reigning #1 singles player in the world. This paddle is thermoformed, meaning it's heat pressed together and virtually indestructible. It's a little heavy on the head and delivers the most power of any paddle I tested. Everyone who tried this paddle found it not that forgiving, which makes sense given it was designed for an advanced player. The sweet spot is toward the top of the paddle face and isn't especially large. Whack one right on the money and the ball jolts off it. For a player without great control, it's easy to hit too hard. However, this paddle was especially appreciated by my friend Danielle, who injured her rotator cuff a few months back and is changing the way she plays as a result. Coming off a shoulder injury, it was nice because I barely had to work, and I felt like I had a ton of pop, she says. Number 2 in my list is ProXR T700 Raw Carbon Pickleball Paddle. Pickleballs are cousins to wiffle balls. If you grew up playing backyard baseball, you probably remember that the holes in the plastic balls allowed them to spin in unpredictable ways when thrown or hit correctly. The same is true of pickleball, where a skilled player with the right paddle can put a lot of spin on the ball and cause problems for an opponent. A serve with spin is so much harder to return that the official rules of the game now ban players from swirling the ball during a drop serve. I will not claim to have mastered topspin and backspin, but the ProXR paddle got me interested in developing the skill. The paddle is made with T700 raw carbon, which is known for producing filthy knuckleball-type hits with tons of spin. But the biggest difference is the unique slanted XR23 handle, which has a 23-degree tilt at the bottom. That tilt changes your grip in a way that claims to promote hitting with spin. Everyone who tried the paddle felt a tendency to pull the ball with some spin, though it's hard to say whether this was a direct result of their grip or just being conscious of the difference. Number 1 in my list is Panel Sound Pickleball Paddles. If you've never played pickleball, this is a good place to start, so you can get a feel for the game without sinking too much dough. For less than $30, you get 2 paddles, a few balls, and bizarrely, 2 cooling towels. I bought this set of Panel Sound paddles when I wanted to try the game with my 9-year-old daughter, who has taken 5 years of tennis lessons but still serves from a few steps inside the baseline. I have since upgraded to other paddles, but I have no regrets about this purchase and now loan them out to other beginners. These graphite paddles don't have a ton of pop and produce minimal spin, but they're sturdy and have a comfortable grip. While they don't offer a lot of power in each hit, they do perform consistently. They weigh in at 8 ounces and are USA Pickleball approved, USAPA, meaning you can use them in a tournament if you want. The other paddles on this list are all tournament approved as well, so sign up for any contest you want with confidence. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.